Audioengine A5 Plus Wireless Review, the Bluetooth speakers that replaced my hi-fi system.
Remember the last time you played your favorite song and it just sounded flat? The bass was there, but mushy, the vocals felt stuck in the middle, and no matter how loud you turned it up, it never gave you that chest punch or those goosebumps. You've tried soundbars, cheap Bluetooth speakers, even those gaming ones with the RGB lights. Still, nothing. Your vinyl sits gathering dust because it sounds thin through the wrong setup. Your games feel small. Movie nights are just background noise. And every time someone comes over, you secretly turn the volume down because you're embarrassed how weak it actually sounds. You've spent hundreds already on half solutions that promise room-filling sound and deliver a tinny whisper past 60% volume. You keep telling yourself it's fine, but deep down you know you're missing the soul of the music. You're tired of apologizing for the audio when friends are over, tired of cranking Spotify and still feeling like you're listening through a blanket, tired of seeing your beautiful turntable connected to speakers that don't deserve it. Worst part, you're one more disappointing purchase away from just giving up and accepting that great sound at home is only for people with $6,000 setups and dedicated listening rooms. It's frustrating because you know the music is supposed to feel alive, and right now it just feels dead.
Then I unboxed the Audioengine A5 Plus Wireless. 2 hand-built wood cabinets, 150 watts of real analog power, Kevlar woofers, silk tweeters, and Bluetooth that actually sounds like CD quality. No receiver, no extra amp, no cable mess. Just plug them in, pair your phone or connect your turntable, and within 30 seconds, you're hearing studio-grade sound that makes everything else you've owned feel like toys. These aren't good for Bluetooth speakers. They're legitimate hi-fi that just happen to be wireless and dead simple to use. I fired up an old Daft Punk record I've played 1,000 times. Suddenly, the bass line in Giorgio by Moroder had weight and texture I swear I'd never heard before. My buddy walked in during a gaming session and thought I had a subwoofer hidden somewhere. The kick drums in Hellblade 2 actually made the couch vibrate. A vinyl collector friend brought over his mint pressing of Norah Jones, and we both just sat there silent for the first track because her voice floated in the room like she was standing between us. Real reviewers say the same. What Hi-Fi gave them 5 stars and said they rival systems costing thousands. Thousands of owners on Reddit and Amazon call them endgame desktop speakers. They look like furniture, play loud enough for a 300 square feet room without breaking up, and after 2 years, mine still look and sound brand new. This is the sound you've been chasing. If you're done settling for average audio and ready to hear what you've been missing in every song, game, and movie, grab the Audioengine A5 Plus Wireless right now. They're at the best price I've seen all year. I've dropped my affiliate link below, full disclosure. Click it, pick your finish, and get them on the way. 1 box, 5-minute setup, and you'll wonder why you waited this long. Your favorite music is waiting to sound the way it was meant to. Don't miss this one. See you on the other side.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.